Welcome, plant pals and soon-to-be veggie whisperers. If you think you need a big backyard to grow your own food, let me stop you right there, because today we're growing vegetables indoors. That's right, your apartment, your living room, or even your bathroom can now double as a farm. Move over, old McDonald. Now let's be honest, indoor gardening is perfect for anyone who's tired of battling pests, unpredictable weather, or that one neighbor who swears they didn't steal your tomatoes. Indoors, it's just you, your plants, and no judgment if you talk to them like they're your children. Oh, and if you're here for some pro tips sprinkled with a healthy dose of chaos, you're in the right place. So smash that subscribe button, grab your watering can, preferably one that doesn't leak like mine, and let's turn your home into a veggie wonderland. You can grow it. First up, peppers. These are the divas of the vegetable world. They demand sunlight, warmth, and constant attention. But let me tell you, they're worth it. Whether you go for fiery chili peppers or adorable mini bells, they'll make your indoor garden look like a 5-star salad bar. The best part? They're low-key show-offs. Your friends will think you're a gardening genius when you casually pluck a pepper and toss it into your tacos. Just don't tell them how easy it is. It'll be our little secret. Next up, garlic. This plant is like the friend who's good at everything. Not only does it give you delicious bulbs, but the green shoots are edible too. Double the garlic, double the fun. To grow it, just stick a clove in some soil, pointy side up, and wait for the magic. It's so low maintenance, you'll forget it's even there, until your kitchen smells amazing. Bonus points. Garlic indoors means no pests. Vampires? Still unconfirmed. Spinach is your best friend if you're impatient like me. This leafy green grows faster than your excuses for not going to the gym. In just a few weeks, you'll have enough to toss in your smoothies, salads, or whatever dish makes you feel fancy. It doesn't even need full sunlight, so it's perfect for those shady corners of your home. Honestly, spinach is the overachiever that makes the rest of us look bad. Tomatoes indoors? Oh, absolutely. These little guys are the A-list celebrities of the vegetable world. With enough light and a bit of love, they'll give you sweet, juicy fruits that are perfect for snacking, salads, or impressing your friends who still buy tomatoes at the store. Pro tip: stick to cherry or grape varieties. They're compact, prolific, and way less dramatic than their bigger cousins. Plus, they make you look fancy without trying too hard, like wearing sunglasses indoors. If you're new to gardening and want some instant gratification, radishes are your jam. These guys grow faster than a rumor in a small town. In just 30 days, you'll have crunchy, spicy radishes that are perfect for salads or just munching straight out of the pot. They're the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it veggie. Seriously, even if you have the attention span of a goldfish, you can grow radishes. Kale is like the Beyoncé of the vegetable world, hardy, productive, and always in demand. It keeps growing even after you harvest the leaves, which means more smoothies, salads, and kale chips for you. The best part? Kale doesn't care if you don't have a ton of sunlight. It's chill like that. Plus, growing your own kale is basically like having a green juice subscription, but way cheaper. Carrots might seem like a weird choice for indoor gardening, but trust me, they're worth the effort. The key? Deep pots. Carrots love to stretch out, so give them some leg room. It's like growing tiny, crunchy, buried treasures right in your home. Carrots thrive in cooler indoor temperatures, so they're perfect for those chilly months when you're dreaming of comfort food. Plus, growing them indoors protects them from pests like root maggots. Take that, garden bugs. And the reward? Sweet, crisp carrots that taste way better than the store-bought ones. Roast them, juice them, or snack on them straight out of the pot. Just remember to rinse the dirt off first, unless you like that fresh from the garden vibe a little too much. Onions are like the Swiss Army knife of indoor gardening. They're versatile, easy, and perfect for tight spaces. Want green onion tops for your soups or full onion bulbs for your cooking? You can have both, and they don't even demand much attention. You can grow them from seed, small bulbs, or even scraps from your kitchen. Just cut the bottom of an onion, stick it in some soil or water, and watch the magic happen. Here's the kicker. Onions indoors are super low maintenance and rarely get pests. Plus, they'll make your home smell like a fancy farm-to-table restaurant. What's not to love? Beets are like the overachievers of the indoor gardening world. Not only do they grow delicious roots, but their leafy greens are edible too. Think of it as getting 2 veggies for the price of 1. Beets love deep containers and cool temperatures, so they're perfect for an indoor setup. The greens are great for salads or sautéing, while the roots are amazing roasted, pickled, or even juiced. And let's not forget, they're so pretty. Growing beets indoors adds a pop of color to your home. It's like functional decor you can eat. Broccoli might not be the first vegetable you think of for indoor gardening, but it's totally doable and worth it. While it takes a little patience, broccoli grown indoors is tender, flavorful, and free from pests like cabbage worms. The secret? Keep the temperature steady and give it plenty of light and airflow. Broccoli doesn't mind a little attention, and it'll reward you with delicious florets that are perfect for snacking, steaming, or sneaking into your kids' mac and cheese. Oh, and here's a fun fact. You can also eat the leaves. Broccoli's like that one friend who brings way more to the table than you expect. And there you have it, folks. Your ticket to fresh, homegrown veggies without ever stepping outside. Whether you're growing peppers, radishes, or kale, your indoor garden is about to become the envy of everyone who's still buying their produce. Got questions? Tips? Hilarious gardening fails? Drop them in the comments below. I want to hear it all. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that bell because the best gardening tips and bloopers are still to come. Until next time, keep growing, stay green, and remember, your plants don't judge if you sing to them. But your neighbors might. You can grow it.